Sony PlayStation 4 Pro review. Should you buy a PS4 Pro? It's complicated. The Good The PS4 Pro outputs a 4K and HDR signal that's compatible with high-end TVs, and promises better visuals and increased frame rates for certain games. The console includes a 1 TB hard drive, and it works with all PS4 games, apps and accessories to date. The bad out of the gate, only a handful of titles offer dramatic improvements. In reality, most games that support Pro enhancements don't offer a drastic difference in quality when comparing standard and Pro games side by side. Specific information on game improvements can be shoddy. The PS4 Pro does not play Ultra HD 4K Blu-ray discs. The bottom line: the PlayStation 4 Pro only shows noticeable improvements in a limited number of the games we were able to test, but that could change with titles coming in the months and years ahead. Closing in on 50 million units sold, it's safe to say Sony's PlayStation 4 has been a huge success, significantly outpacing its closest competition, Microsoft's Xbox One. But just 3 years since its debut, Sony has released the hardware step-up model of the PS4, aptly called the PlayStation 4 Pro. As you can guess by the name, this isn't the PlayStation 5. It's fully compatible with all of the existing games, apps and nearly all the PS4 accessories currently on the market or in your personal collection. The new model hit stores on November 10th for $399 in the US, £349 in the UK and $559 in Australia. But the PS4 Pro promises to deliver better, smoother graphics than its predecessor. You'll only get the graphical upgrade on games with a free downloadable software patch installed. The most noticeable improvements will also likely require TVs with support for 4K resolutions and HDR, the high contrast mode that can offer bright whites and more gradated blacks. For console gamers who have always looked with envy on a $3,000 plus PC gaming rig with daisy-chained video cards running games at super high resolutions, it's certainly a compelling upsell. But, spoiler alert, the PS4 Pro didn't leave my jaw drop. In fact, I often struggled to see any discernible difference between the same games on a Pro and a regular PS4 when played side by side on nearly identical 4K TVs. Out of the gate, there are only a limited number of titles that are noticeably improved. So what, exactly, does that mean in terms of a buying recommendation? The short answer is this. If you already have a PlayStation 4, there's little reason, so far, to upgrade to the Pro. But, if you're buying the PlayStation 4 for the first time, the Pro is a solid investment, if only for its larger 1 TB hard drive and some promising new Pro enhanced games coming in 2017 and beyond. But, if you're looking to take the PS4 plunge for the first time and you don't have a 4K/HDR TV now, and have no plans to buy one in the near future, save some money and get the PS4 Slim, which also includes at least one game. There are plenty of PS4 holiday shopping deals for the Slim and the Pro, making this the best time to buy either model. The same goes for the Xbox One S, which now competes with the PS4 better than ever before. Check out related Xbox One holiday shopping deals